Most of the people use Perplexity like Google, and that's the biggest mistake you can make in 2026. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Manchu here. You're watching Get Assist, and I've been using Perplexity for a long time. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Perplexity in 4 simple ways. From basic search work to automation that will work even when you are asleep. You will be able to think smart, work faster, automate boring work, and generate more income. So the first thing is stop asking boring questions to it. Most of the people just type one line, copy the answer, paste it wherever they want, and leave. Instead of asking one vague question, you can divide it into 3 parts: goal, input, and constraint. Let me show you with an example. I'm typing a prompt that find a side hustle I can start this month in India, use the last 6 month data. It should be a low cost and no coding job. Here in this prompt, you can clearly see the 3 parts where I've divided my question. The goal is find side hustle I can start this month. Input is India, last 6 month data, and the constraint is low cost and no coding. This alone can improve your answer a lot more. One more thing, use the right model. If you want fast facts, use Perplexity's own sonar. If writing or thinking, try the other models like GPT or Gemini and compare them. Now the second way is give your Perplexity a mind, a brain, a memory. Stage 2 is where things get interesting. You can make and create a space, then tell Perplexity who you are, what you do, and what exactly you want from it. Like this, when you create a new space, you can tell Perplexity who you are, about your industry, and add other instructions to add relevance. You can upload your own files, notes, spreadsheets, work documents, etc. These things are not on internet, but Perplexity now can use them for your knowledge, for making its own memory for you. You can also add links to be used as sources for your content, after which Perplexity will stop giving you generic advices and will modify according to you, personalized with you. Perplexity already gives you space templates like the trip planner, interview role play coach, money manager, and much more. You just need to build it from zero. You just need to copy one, edit it, and personalize it, and then you are good to go. Stage 3 is about deep researches. This level is about focus. You can tell Perplexity where to optimize from, where actually look from for your content, whether you want it from web, files, emails, or documents. You can also connect your email and other tools that's powerful. And where you need a serious work done, look for the deep research option. It creates detailed reports with proper structure and actual facts. This way you can save your thinking energy and your inner peace. And now the last one, stage 4, is the automation part. Here Perplexity stop being a tool and become an ecosystem for you. Tasks on Perplexity allow you to automate research. For example, let's schedule a task to send me a weekly update on the stock market, and I want it to run every Monday at 10 a.m. no expiry and auto notification. This is how you can stop checking and get a regular update about what you actually need from it regularly, and that too without hassle. You can also use the labs feature to create tables, dashboards, reports, and even simple app. Yes, it takes a better prompt, but once it's done, it can replace hours of work. This is how people use Perplexity for content, research, newsletter, and even for side incomes. So, should you change how you use Perplexity in 2026? If you're only searching, then yes. And if you want leverage, then you have to do it. Because if the stage 1 makes you faster, the stage 4 will make you free. Just comment down which level you are at, and if you find this video useful and informative, hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. I will meet you in the next one.